Welcome. If you've ever wanted to update your Messenger name to better reflect who you are or what you do, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to edit your username on Messenger so you can keep your profile fresh and easy to recognize. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to modify. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're in the correct one before making any changes. From the main screen, look for the menu. On most devices, you'll find it as three horizontal lines or a profile icon. Depending on your version, tap Menu to reveal the options available for your account. Next, tap Settings. This is where you'll manage your personal information, privacy settings, and other preferences. Settings is your gateway to customize how you appear to friends and contacts. Within Settings, locate and tap Username. This is your handle that friends see when they mention you or search for you in chats. Selecting username takes you to the field where you can make changes. Tap Edit Username to begin updating. A text field will appear, showing your current username. Here you can type in the new username you want to use. Be mindful of any platform-specific rules such as character limits or prohibited words to ensure your new name is accepted. After you've typed your desired username, review it for clarity and ease of use. Consider how it will appear to others in your chats and whether it accurately represents you. When you're satisfied, look for a save option, usually a checkmark, save button, or similar confirmation control, and tap it to apply the change. A quick note, updates can take a moment to propagate across your account, and some features may reflect the change sooner than others. If you don't see the new username right away, try refreshing the app or restarting it, and double check that you're viewing the correct profile. That's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your Messenger username and made it easier for friends to find and recognize you. If you want, you can repeat these steps to adjust again in the future or tweak other profile details to keep your presence current.